Hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are tuning in new here, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button and also hit the bell notification so whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. So on today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make this beautiful grilled tilapia. It is very easy. If you want to see how I achieved this, you have to stick right to the end. And also, as you watch, do not forget to like and also leave a comment down below. Do not forget to share and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's get started. And please do not forget. Hi guys, so this is the ingredients that we're going to be using for this. Of course, we got our fish. We got how is this fish called? Tilapia. We got our tilapia. I'm going to be using tilapia for this recipe. And for the spices, we got 1 large onion. This is just to marinate the fish. We got some spring onions. We got ginger, and we got Jangsa. Jangsa, commonly called in Cameroon. We got Jangsa. And of course, Maggi, or a cube of Maggi for seasoning. And I got country onion, ground onion. It's called rondelle in French, but I got it in powder form from Cameroon. And I'll be using ground Pebe. They call this how do Nigerians call it? Is it African-ish? Forgot the name, guys. African nutmeg here, so it's called Pebe. And of course salt. And you can notice there's no pepper here because this is just to marinate the fish. The pepper will be different from this. And of course garlic. Forgot to bring that. And of course we got garlics for the marinade. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to cut the fish. So when I put the spices together, so we're just going to take this off. We just take this off for now and put it here. And put this off. Of course, clean our surface. Guys, I forgot an important ingredient you cannot do without. But since I want to have fish this evening, I forgot. White pepper, poivre blanc, you cannot do without. In fact, it's the first spices, it's the first thing that needs to go in. Unfortunately, I don't have it at home, so it's very important. I forgot to mention it. So I'm just going to transfer this into the blender and we blend. Pebe is so strong, so we don't want to choke it so much. So this is enough. We're going to take the fish, then we just open it up so the spices can be able to sit well. I like to blend it. I'm struggling, so basically this is it. So just pour the marinated stuff. But I'm not going to use all because I'm going to use some.
It's not going to come our way, so we're going to buy fish.
For later purpose. So, guys.
What's happening to me?
There's a drawer.
Huh?
It's a drawer.
Which drawer?
So I'm going to boil the remaining one. Baby, the drawer is the marinated fish. It's well seasoned. I'm just going to let it sit. I'm going to be roasting it very soon. But I love the spices to really penetrate inside for some few hours. I'm just going to cover this up. Meanwhile, I am boiling the remaining one so I can be able to use when roasting the fish. It got this color because of the onion. And if I had mustard, I would have added to the marinated fish. And of course, like I said, the real spice is white pepper. It's not available, so it's not going to be really the way I want it to be because of lack of white pepper. Hello guys, so we are done. So this is my batch cook BBQ. This is what we're gonna have for the rest of the week. This fish is huge. Yeah, we got some chicken and we got about 5 steak. Yeah, and this onion, as you can see, there is water. It's not water, it's vinegar. Guys, my back is killing me. We got our pepper sauce. We got our fried plantains. So I'm just going to, put the remains in here for the rest of the week. Anyone, but I know in this house it won't last. Yeah.